behind the fiddle leaf in a ceramic pot of muted gray, while everybody cheers for the trendy greens. You just watch the moon and crowded play. The sunlight misses you, but you don't seem to mind. You're the secret treasure that they forgot to find. Oh, Aglaonema, lean into the light, patient and pretty in the middle of the night. You can take the shadows, you can stand your ground, the most resilient beauty that I've ever found. Yeah, you're underrated, but you're gold to me. No fancy misting or a strict routine, just a slow dance in a shade of green. Tougher than the petals of a hothouse rose. How you stay so steady, heaven only knows. Stop looking at the window, stop chasing every trend. I found a sturdy spirit and a lifelong garden friend. Oh, Aglaonema, lean into the light, patient and pretty in the middle of the night. You can take the shadows, you can stand your ground, the most resilient beauty that I've ever found. Yeah, you're underrated, but you're gold to me. Just keep growing.